Understanding, opening old wounds, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very expressive phrase in English, opening old wounds. This phrase is rich in meaning and used quite frequently in both written and spoken English. Understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you grasp the emotional context in which it's used. Let's explore together what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, opening old wounds, is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of revisiting past hurts or painful memories that someone has tried to forget or heal from. These wounds can be anything from personal insults, failed relationships, to traumatic events. When these past pains are brought up again, it can cause emotional distress or pain as if the wound were fresh or reopened. It's important to note that this phrase is used to convey a sense of unnecessary or unwanted revival of painful memories. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples of how it can be used in sentences. Discussing their breakup was like opening old wounds for Emma, reminding her of the pain she once felt. The family reunion ended up opening old wounds rather than healing them, as unresolved issues resurfaced. Bringing up the company's past failures during the meeting was like opening old wounds. It served no positive purpose. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different contexts, highlighting its versatility and emotional impact. Using the phrase, opening old wounds, requires a certain level of sensitivity and awareness of the context. It's crucial to understand that this phrase carries a heavy emotional weight. Bringing up painful memories can affect people deeply, so it's important to use this phrase in appropriate situations and be mindful of the feelings of others. Always consider the emotional state and history of the person you're speaking to before using this phrase. We hope this exploration of the phrase, opening old wounds, has been enlightening for you. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the English language, not just in terms of vocabulary but also in grasping the emotional nuances that come with certain expressions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about communicating feelings, experiences, and connections. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language learning journey.